In this lecture, you're going to be learning about the different optimization options for your ad delivery. So what is that? Well, basically, Facebook is asking you, what is the ultimate goal with your ad, right? What are you trying to achieve? Because if Facebook knows what you're trying to achieve, they can use their algorithms to optimize your ad and show it in front of the audience that they have calculated is going to be most likely to do what you want them to do. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So scrolling down at the ad set we're creating, we have something called optimization for ad delivery, right? And if we click there, we have a couple of different options, and we're going to go through them one by one. But first of all, let's understand what the actual optimization for ad delivery is. So Facebook has a system with algorithms where it's calculating who is most likely to do what in this audience, right? We've already created our audience, we've set the demographics, we've done the detailed targeting, we've already found who our audience is. Now the question is, what do we want to achieve with that audience? And currently, we're set on link clicks. So by optimizing for link clicks, we are telling Facebook that, hey, we want to get as many link clicks as possible. So they are going to go through the audience that you have selected and then show the ad to the ones that Facebook has calculated are the most likely to be clicking on your link. All right, so Facebook has all of this data, has all of these algorithms, and by telling them what you want to optimize for, they can select out of the audience that you have already chosen who is going to be most likely to do the optimization you have selected. In this case, the link clicks, who are going to be most likely to click on your link. Later on, I'm going to introduce something to you known as a pixel, and this pixel is going to help Facebook even further personalize your ads so that Facebook knows exactly what type of audience you're looking for and exactly what type of audience you're getting results from. So Facebook has a system that is constantly learning. The more ads you do, the more Facebook is going to learn and the better your ads results are going to be. So let's quickly look at the optimization options in here. So we have landing page views, that is people who actually load your website or the link that you have added in. We have link clicks, that is people who actually click on your link. Now, this doesn't just have to be the link that you put out in the ad. This can also be, for example, they click on the link to your profile. They click on the link to your Instagram, they click on the link to your Facebook page, or they just react on your post, for example, if you're doing it for the newsfeed. So it's any type of link click when they click on anything that has to do with your ad. And then we have impressions. And impressions is just that you would optimize to show this ad as many times as possible. Just as many times as possible. Even if the same person is seeing your ad multiple times, it doesn't matter. The optimization is to show your ad as often as possible, right? And here we have finally daily unique reach. That is to show it to as many unique people as possible. So the difference between impressions and daily unique reach is that impression is just about showing your ads as much as possible, and daily unique reach is showing your ads to as many different people as possible. All right? Now, scrolling up, we are not going to be using impressions and daily unique reach much because they don't deliver the results we're looking for, which is generally we are looking for someone who is going to be buying our item, right? So what we are going to be using, and you are most likely going to be using the majority of case, that's going to be either landing page views or link clicks. That is what we want to optimize for and tell Facebook to use their algorithm towards. Now, the difference between link clicks and landing page views is that when you optimize for link clicks, that means that you're optimizing for anyone doing any type of click on your ad whatsoever. So for the newsfeed, that could be they react, right? They could be that they like your post. It could be that they click on your Facebook page. So whenever they click on any of these, that is counted as a result, right? So we are targeting and optimizing towards people who are going to be engaging in any way with the ad that we're creating. But landing page view is different. Landing page view is optimizing towards people who actually open up and load the URL that you put into your ad. So for example, because we are creating an ad for this couple's distance bracelets, so if they load this website, if they load this page, that means that they are going to count as a result. That is a landing page load, right? But if they click on the link, but this page doesn't load, well, then it's not going to count as a result, because the landing page views are only counted as a result when this URL that you have chosen, this page, actually loads. And that is what we're looking for. We want to get people to this site, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to choose landing page views. And whenever you are selling anything, I recommend that you focus on landing page views, because you want people to actually get to your website. That is the essence of driving traffic. If you're looking to people to just react or engage in any way, then you could focus on link clicks. But for the majority of the cases, I strongly recommend focusing on landing page views. Now, understand that this has nothing to do with how you are charged. You are not paying for landing page views. You're not paying for link clicks. What we're doing here is that we're telling Facebook what we want them to optimize their algorithms towards, what our ultimate goal is, and what they are going to try to achieve for us. Because out of our audience, out of our 480,000 people, some of those people are going to be deemed more likely to load your page. Some are going to be more likely to be doing any form of link click, and we want to focus on the part who is the most likely to be landing our page, right? Later on, we are going to be talking about when you get charged and then different strategies to how to focus on that. But for now, optimization for ad delivery is all about what is the ultimate goal, the ultimate outcome of creating your ad. For us, is for them to actually load our page, load this very page. So we're going to set landing page views, because we're not interested in them clicking on our Facebook page or anything else. So if that is your goal as well, which I believe it will be at least 80 to 90% of the cases, I strongly recommend that you focus on landing page views. All right. In the next lecture, we're going to be talking about cost control, and this is a little bit more advanced, but it's very important to understand. So see you in the next lecture.